Hey you guys, welcome to another Audi video. Again, such a complex design. I made a mistake. So, this part of the car, these lines are perfect. I forgot to put a bit of tape there. Sorry about that. So we're gonna have to peel all the tape off again. Welcome you guys to another Audi R8 V10 video. Now, when I sprayed this first layer, I used this colour right here, and it wasn't the right colour I used, so we're gonna have to respray this whole car again, but with this colour. Yeah, it was this colour I used originally. This is the two differences. This is lavender and this is purple. Yeah, two differences. So let's get to work. So now with the Audi all sprayed the right purple, I have decided for this car to be extremely accurate, I have decided to buy, like I showed you at the start of this video, this tool here. Now we're going to measure this car and we're going to create a diagram for it, because if we create a diagram for this specific model, we can accurately line up the lines on the car, whether it would be the top of the car, whether it would be the side of the car. So that's the plan. Without further ado, let's get to work. So now that we have the measurements for the roof, like this part, the square part here, we have the measurements for the length and the width. Same for the hood part, the length and the width. So now that we've got that, the next stage is to print off a black and white outline drawing of the Audi R8 from the above angle, so that I can draw on that and figure out where the center is, so that we can put the center stripe bang on the center of the car. Then we can work from there. Guys, I will see you in the next video.